Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find general management. On the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and as you can see, actually right now we cannot customize the date and time manually. It is because we've got automatic date and time and of course time zone option applied. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and as you can see, right now we can freely tap on set date, and from this calendar we have to pick the date we want to use. So let me pick randomly this one. Okay, tap on done, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just by swiping you can pick the time you want to use. So let me randomly pick this one. Okay, tap on done, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar also. We can pick the time zone, so just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we can find any time zone we want to use. So let me pick this one. Okay, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. And under it we've got also the option which is connected to the clock format. So right now we are using a 12-hour format, but if you'd like to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. So basically this is it. This is how to manually customize date and time. And of course if you'd like to get back to all previous settings or use the network provided date, time and time zone, just tap on those switchers, and if you'd like to use 12-hour format on this one, and basically you will get back to the automatic date and time. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.